Acha, listen, let me do a quick back check. So, I got my priorities set and I packed my goals. And very important, चार्जर नहीं भूलनी चाहिए. और ओ या ये आवाज़ों से याद आया कि मैं मेरी हेडफोन्स भी पैक कर लूँगी. और क्या बचा? ये सब में क्या है? Oh shit, past traumas. Okay, let me not open those zip. Okay, what else? What else? I feel like मैंने सब कुछ पैक कर लिया, but I feel like something's missing. Maybe यार the Nicky factor. Factor. The Nicky factor. गुब्बारा गुब्बारा लंदन पेरिस न्यूयॉर्क सैन फ्रांसिस्को दिल में मेरे दर्द डिस्को दर्द डिस्को दर्द डिस्को दर्द डिस्को दर्द डिस्को दर्द डिस्को. So thank you Shahrukh for being here today. What do you want to say? Oh, that's actually a very meaningful message right there. So, yeah, that's me with Shah Rukh Khan. You guys didn't understand what he said? He said, "Oh my god, this podcast is crazy. Like, I'm a biggest fan." Yeah. Oh, in my baggage, I think I forgot delusions in it. What's up, everybody? You know what? I am feeling a little bit like a RJ today. Like I got all my songs ready. I got my guest ready. So you wanna see? Okay, let's see who is our next guest. ये हॉन्क वाले भैया जो उनके हॉन्क से बात करते हैं. Like he is an expert in honk language. See, he's saying yes. So this is why you do SWOT analysis. You turn your threats into opportunities. Let's fucking go! Strategic management Riz. Am I gonna edit this podcast? No, I'm gonna audit this podcast. Because I don't know. Just like any other auditor, I got so many opinions to say. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं opinions किधर डालूँ, तो मैं report में डाल देती हूँ. If you got it, same bro. I'm also I can't balance my own balance, but I'm balancing that dumb motherfucker who hired some dumbass CA and I have to do his balance sheet. Another honk wale bhaiya giving his cameo. He's feeling a little bit missed out, guys. Just like any other CA aspirant would do on their life. Let's go. That's not what I expected to do, but yeah, anyways. Okay, now I want you guys to listen to a song which have helped me a lot to come out from the mental stress, and also a song which recently I discovered this song. I think it is very meaningful song. So I'll not gatekeep you guys because I'm generous like that. Like I'm generous like Mukesh Ambani. Although I, I got my back with Mrs. N and M. You know who I'm saying. His name rhymes with Dalmodi. Yes. Okay, let me not go there. So I think this song is divine. It's sacred, and it just evokes spirituality inside me. So without a further ado, let me hear drop it. Guys, थोड़ी वेट करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये रिवर्स ले रहा है और मेरी वाईफाई को आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस है. It's not able to connect. You gotta clock it. But anyway, ये लोग वो बजा सकते ना, वो सलमान खान के गाने. नॉट सो क्रिएटिव पीपल, नॉट सो कल्चर पीपल सल्लू भाई कितने फील होते अगर ये सुने तो रिवर्स गियर वाली ये टू 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 he gave such good songs for reverse uncultured people. But anyways, here is the spiritual song that I'm talking about. What? Foreign నుంచి వచ్చేసాను. How does Earth revolve? How does my Wi-Fi loads? Shit. Blooper हो गया है तो. Okay. Okay. Another beautiful song. Wait, what is wrong with my song choices today? Hey, these are top-notch songs. Wait, let me introduce you to some. DJ La. Bro, I recently discovered that in Marathi, leopard is called as Biptia. Like Biptia. ये बात Biptia. चलो आज के लिए సాయంకాలం సుందరకాండం ఈ సమయంతో ముగుస్తుంది. సో in midst of I get it guys, you have horn but you don't need to honk it every single minute. रोड रेस रोड पे करनी, मैं घर में बैठ के कर रही हूँ फिर से. No civic sense only these people got. All peep. ये लोग I think like you know these people communicate through honks. Like कोड ते बोतल और बैठ के. If you didn't understand, that's not my problem. Why you not multilingual enough living in India? You are supposed to know basic. Acha, I'll actually be very surprised and also impressed if a North Indian person knows the difference between Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. That's it. क्या सुनेंगे? Actually क्या करेंगे? No. I'm not asking about right now. जिंदगी में क्या करने की सोचा है? क्या करने की सोचा है? क्या प्लान है? तेरे पास प्लान भी नहीं है और तू मेरी पॉडकास्ट सुन रही है. वेरी गुड डिसीजन. हाँ, एटलीस्ट यू गॉट वन थिंग राइट. लाइक दैट्स ओके फॉर टुडे. एटलीस्ट वन गुड थिंग, वन गुड डीड अ डे इज इनफ आई गेस. ऊपर जब चित्रगुप्ता जी अपनी अकाउंट्स बनाते हैं, लाइक यू नो जस्ट हाउ वी डू अकाउंट्स फॉर कंपनीज, उधर चित्रगुप्ता जी अकाउंटेंट है यमधर्मराज जी के पास. It sounds very weird when I say that in Hindi. GG. Telugu में क्या बोलते हैं? चित्रगुप्ता. Yeah, Chitragupta. He's also Gupta. You get it? Gupta. Vaishya. You get it? Accounts. I don't support casteism. Casteism. Because वहाँ reservation नहीं मिलती है मुझे. These people. Reservation. Let me not go there. A delimitation. Census. Oh my God. Okay. I think मुझे सुट्टा करने जानी है क्योंकि स्ट्रेस बहुत हो रहा है. तो my form of सुट्टा. I'll let you listen. तोल विवाल या तो टीचर लाट नहीं ये पूरा ऐड है, लेकिन जब तक मैं प्ले नहीं करती वो तब तक इससे संभाल लेना. लाइक यू नो जस्ट लाइक यू स्क्रोलिंग थ्रू बिकॉज यू कांट कॉल हर बैक. शिट गॉट टू रियल. B² - 4AC. Oh shit, my bad bro. Is it B² - 4AC? Even if I'm right or wrong, you still can't call her, okay? Because she blocked you. She blocked you from PhonePe, Paytm also. wow, the khushi and the ultimate, the epitome of happiness when you can tease someone on their love life. Call me a psychopath, because that's what I would also call you. क्या सुनेंगे? बहुत अच्छा लगेगा और बहुत ही मुझे ऐसा अप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा जब यूट्यूब व्हेन आई एम अपलोडिंग दिस इट विल बी लाइक कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट। आई बी लाइक हाँ मुझे पता है पर मेरे पास इतने फॉलोअर्स और इतने व्यूअर्स भी नहीं है कि तुम्हें ये लगाना पड़े। अनिता, सारिता, सुविता, अनिता। गाइज आई थिंक यूट्यूब बंद करेंगे और ये लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स द फेलोशिप ये रहने देंगे, ये निवास करेंगे और एक टैब क्यों खुला हुआ है इसको भी क्लोज कर देंगे। और वाह ब्यूटीफुल वॉलपेपर, लर्न अबाउट दिस पिक्चर। ये क्या है? वाइवेरा न्यूजीलैंड, नज़र अब्बास फोटोग्राफी, लेट्स गो। वेरी controversial. It looks like the Dummo on my specs. What are these islands? Mosses? What are this? Anyways, we'll just when you pull up, it's a shutdown. Keep watching me shutting it down. They were talking about shutting down their laptop, guys. Blackpink in your area? The only black and pink that I have is TRS. Okay, Telangana Rashtra Samiti. Oh, now it's BRS, I guess. Bharatiya Rashtra Samiti. What are you doing now, KTR? और एक कौन है? KCR. Oh shit! Have you ever heard? You should really hear KCR speeches. They were so funny. Okay. अज़ा हो रही है गाइस, अज़ा हो रही है गाइस, अज़ा हो रही है गाइस। It's very nice hearing अज़ा। You know sometimes I get this nightmares in कभी कभी ऐसे सुबह उठने तक भी वो प्रोलॉन्ग होती जाती है। तो you know once very funny, so I got nightmare and I couldn't sleep. My mom woke up and saw me and I was like उन्होंने पूछा और मैंने बोला ऐसा ऐसा है एंड शी वाज लाइक अच्छा वो मेरे आके मेरे पीछे सो गई है एंड इन द ड्रीम आई गॉट सो माय मॉम बिकेम द गोस्ट एंड इट वाज कॉलिंग मी निकेला टर्न एंड आई वाज लाइक जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कबीर I was literally doing that. So since then, ever since I was small, this keeps happening. Whenever I try to reach out to my mom, my dreams or somehow my mom gives a thappad. ऐसा कुछ भी हो जाता है. So sometimes I just stay up. I used to just stay up till I could hear. These bike noises are very fucking annoying. But sometimes I feel like they help a lot when I have nightmares or when I feel like मुझे सडनली ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं डर लगने लगता है आउट ऑफ नोवेयर कभी कभी व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बी स्मॉल याद दैट यूज्ड टू हैपन। सो समटाइम्स दे रीअश्योर मी कि है हम भी है। अगर ये सब सपना है तो हम भी सपने की एक पार्ट है और गधा ही सपना होगा जिसमें भी मैं हॉन्की कर रहा हूँ। तो या आई रियली लाइक अज़ा। आई डोंट हैव एनी कंप्लेंट्स। आई डोंट नो लाइक there were many complaints it seems that Azza speaker should not be there, but I don't support that. I really don't support that. क्या ये हो रहा भाई? तुम्हें इतना ही क्या डिस्टर्ब हो रहा? It's kind of like nice to hear that. Yeah, as you can hear my voice, I have cold. Very ironic. I was also saying my mom ki only Baka people will get cold in summer. कर्मा इज सच अ बिच दैट मुझे इंस्टेंटली आ गया इंस्टेंट कर्मा इंस्टेंट डोसा की तरह। एंड इफ यू आर सेइंग डोसा यू डोंट इवन नीड अ DNA टेस्ट। मैं तो तेरी सेंसस करने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है। मुझे पता है कि तू गवार का नॉर्थ इंडियन है जिसको वो द और ड में फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा। I got a very bad example in my brain with the and but I'm gonna save it. Oh fuck, it's 6:45. Guruvaram Sayankalam. Oh, what was that song? Wait, I'm mixing two songs in my brain. One is Guruvaram Sayankalam Kalisachindra అదృష్టం అరమీటర్ దూరంలో ఉందిరా నిన్న కన్న కళ్ళలే బ్లాక్ అండ్ వైట్ నేడు కలర్ అయిపోయానే చక్క చక్క కలలోన అరరరే కనిపించే అరరరే ముత్తాడి అయ్యో పిచ్చి 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 ఊహలేవో వన్స్ మోర్ నో నాట్ వన్స్ మోర్ అరే వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ మహేష్ బాబు సాంగ్ గురువారం 6:30 something. I'm gonna literally search Mahesh Babu Guruvaram, yeah, lyrics. Dookudu, Dookudu, whoa wait. While everyone in the West were watching, क्या देख रहे थे तुम लोग? Hannah Montana देख रहे थे? I don't know when Dookudu release. Yeah, Guruvaram March 1 సాయంత్రం 5:40. చలో ఫర్ ఆర్ కన్వీనియన్స్ విల్ చేంజ్ దట్ టు 6:40. తొలిసారిగా చూసానే నిన్ను చూస్తూనే ప్రేమ పుట్టి నీ పైన లెన్స్ పెట్టి నిద్రే పోనందే నా కన్ను ఓం శాంతి 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 అనిపించాలే. గైస్, డిడ్ I told you? Hey, did I make the Shahrukh Khan joke? I don't know. भाई मैंने बहुत टेक्स ली है तो मुझे कंफ्यूज हो रहा कि मैं वो बात बोल चुकी हूँ या नहीं बोली हूँ, तो मैं एक बार चेक करके आती हूँ. और अगर मैं फिर एक बार अगर बोल चुकी हो तो भी फिर से बोलने वाली हूँ, और अगर नहीं बोली तो भी फिर से बोलने वाली हूँ. इन द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम सेइंग, डू आई लुक लाइक अ गिव अ फक? गाइस, आई फॉरगॉट टू इंसर्ट दैट मे बी. ये रेड कलर क्यों आ रहा है? इसको भी पीरियड हो रहा है क्या? एक मिनट, लेट मी चेक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. भाई ये सच मेरी वॉइस रिकॉर्डर गर्ल निकला. वाओ, व्हाट अ ग्रेट वे टू सी दिस. वेट, व्हाई इज दिस रेड? ओके कुछ नहीं हो रहा, सिर्फ वो रेड निकल रहा है. एनीवेज, तो आई वाज ब्रो, दैट क्लिप वाज वेरी गुड विद शाहरुख खान. मे बी आई डिलीटेड दैट बिकॉज मैंने कुछ बकवास बक दी होगी, बट मैं बकवासी तो बक रही हूँ. Hey, what did you just say? No, this is a top-notch information. Like, you know, I guess all the CBI, raw agents and all the Fatima Bureau of Investigation, I mean FBI, are still searching, are like, you know, literally they are on their headphones. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I'm clueless now that I have इधर तक की स्क्रिप्ट लिखी मैं. नाउ वी गॉट इम्प्रोव. यू नो व्हाट, लेट्स डू अ बिंगो कार्ड. ओके, अज्यूम. ओके, मैं तुम लोगों को क्यों लगता है मैं एडिट नहीं करती हूँ? तुम लोगों को क्यों लगता है? तुम लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे एडिटिंग नहीं आती? एडिटिंग मुझे नहीं आती. यस, नहीं आती तो क्या इंसान को हर एक चीज़ नहीं आती है. I'm tired, guys, being so multi-talented. Let me leave few genres so that other can flourish in their life. बस इतनी delusional होनी चाहिए 24/7. कुछ ज़्यादा ही हिंदी में बात कर रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि let me remind you guys, I'm from biryani. Yes. I identify myself as बिरयानी. आई डोंट नो अबाउट द बिरयानी पार्ट, बट दम तो मैं हूँ. दम लगा के है शाह. जोर से बोलो जय माता दी, जोर से बोलो जय माता दी. आगे वाले जय माता दी, पीछे वाले जय माता दी, जय माता दी, जय माता दी. लेट्स गो. शेरवाली माँ, I don't know that song, but Sherawali Ma. Such good Telugu songs, I don't know, I'm remembering. బ్రో దిస్ వాజ్ ఆర్ రోమన్ ఎంపైర్. గురువారం మార్చ్ 1 సాయంత్రం 5:40. You see that? You see the emphasis? See, girls don't settle for less. If he wanna, he will. You know? If you wanna do, he will do. You know? Don't settle for less. I just wanna know who knows the Ram Jogaya Shastri. I can't defend you guys anymore. While you guys were watching some, what do you say? Slumdog Millionaire. We were watching. अबे मेरी लैपटॉप में बंद करी हो वरना आई शुड हैव मेड यू लिसन. We were watching Arundhati, okay? Not even Arundhati. Hey, what is that thing, bro, where she breaks coconut on her head? నీకు పెళ్ళ వదల బొమ్మాలి వదల Arundhati only, bro. Arundhati only. So we were like, Jejamma, my Emma, Jejamma, oh Emma, Jejamma. I'm gonna have mad second thoughts after I finish this. Which is good because again, say with me, art is supposed to be disturbing. Yes, art is supposed to be disturbing. बहनचोद ये बहुत डिस्टर्ब कर रही है आर्ट है क्या? You understand what I created right there? तुम लोगों को अगर हॉन्ग्स की आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है तो तुम लोग गे हो, ओके? अगर इफ़ यू आर अ गर्ल तुम लोग गे नहीं हो सकते क्या? Like, you know, let's assume you become a boy and then you become gay. Wait, that is like wait, that is like oh shit, I just realized. If you guys didn't realize that, like, no, हाँ हो सकते हैं. I'm like, wow, guys, your Instagram has fulfilled its objective of brain rotting you fully. And Willy Wonka का जो poem है वो it literally embodied itself. Your brain had become soft as cheese. Yeah. तो मेरी रूम बहुत अंधेरा है. It's dark. So are my jokes. इतनी रोशनी मैं सह नहीं सकती. मैं वैम्पायर बन चुकी क्या? Bro, Muzan should have used SUV. What is that? Sun protection formula. Sun protection. SPF 5000. No, then he could have come out. No, Muzan, come on, man. You have that much power. You could have just buy sunscreen, bro. Damn, Muzan. Michael Jackson, you could have done better. Okay, let's make. कितना हुआ है time? 22 minutes. 22 minutes is nothing. I just realized my last episode was of what? What was my last episode? You guys don't remember? Oh my god. Please don't talk to me. You're not even talking to me. Every podcast I should pay my homage to this homie who thought there were two people in this podcast. I would like to continue to make him think like that. Yes, let him think. Let him cook. उसको सोचने दे कि इसमें दो नहीं लेकिन मेरे सारे के सारे 16 पर्सनालिटीज है. Like, you know, in that Pal song he says, no, करके 16 श्रृंगार. नहीं, मेरे सारा का सारा 16 पर्सनालिटीज है. सोलापुर के बाद क्या आता है? सत्रहपुर. You guys must be thinking I'm very high. Hi. I'm so sorry. I can't even, like, you know. Guys, come on. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I just inhale a lot of marijuana. If only marijuana was oregano, which is Marwadi methi. I literally use Marwadi methi every fucking day. Guys, I might be very annoyed at, like, you know, मैं रोड रेस एक रूम में बैठ के करती हूँ, but it's such a nice game to play when when you are on road कि हॉर्न मारती जाओ. I also get it. कि I was on this highway, so I went to dance class. I found a loophole. Culfit. I think you gotta listen to my podcast, bro. क्योंकि I'm gonna tell you how shitty your management is. Okay. मेरी तो क्रिसमस होती है. मेरी तो लिटिल लैम्ब है उसके पास. मेरी had a little lamb. मेरी had a little lamb उसके पास में. Shit, man, I hate when my flow breaks. I'll try to go with the flow, but the flow flows, and it flows so much that flow ain't flowing anymore. Okay, so yeah, so Culfit, let me tell you something. So I was at this Begum paid branch, right? So I figured out something, and even though my membership is up, I can still access to all your classes, bro. Like, you gotta clock it. My God, you gotta clock it. But I really feel like, don't clock it. It's okay to be imperfect, okay? It's okay. You don't need to be perfect every time, okay? So it's okay. I fully support your imperfections, your flaws. I am all in for your class because I want to be in the class. Like, all in for your classes and all in for your imperfections. Because अगर तू strict होगा और तू perfect होगा तो मैं रणवीर सिंह की स्पेशल कैसे करूँगी. ततड़ भाई कितना मज़ा आया. इतनी ब्यूटिफुल संडे एंड सैटरडे नाइट्स. जस्ट मी ततड़ ऑल द वे. यू नो, आई जस्ट ततड़. और क्या था मुझे गाने याद नहीं है पर वाइब्स याद है. हाँ, और तुम्हारी वाइफ why would you do that, Nikki? Okay. अरे कौन है, किसको आ रहा है? नहीं यार, टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास. 7 हो गई. तो yeah, but when I was going to the cult classes, मैं भी हाईवे में यही गेम खेल रही थी. I was literally playing. इतना अच्छा सिमुलेशन प्ले कर रही थी मैं चेंजिंग लाइन्स का. I was literally feeling like, you know, I'm drifting. Do you remember that game Doctor Driving? Yes. Except that I was on Activa 3G white color scooty. should I say the number plate also? Will you क्या बोलते पे में चलान्स? नहीं ना, तो क्यों पूछ रहे हो? ऐसे वाली चीज़ें मत पूछो. Don't intrude my privacy. Or did I say that in my baggage I forgot to put in delusions because I was deluding that I was packaging my bag. Guys, I took my medicines, okay? कौन सी medicines? Oh, my medication is, like, you know, very, very expensive. I'll tell you why. Because it's it's kind of like, you know, from a fancy business. It's called minding my own business and none of your business. And the tablet's name is it's very क्या बोलता है? Okay, do you know the difference between? एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Let me just calm down, do a mudra for 1 minute, and let me come back. I'm gonna come back and it's gonna be over for everybody. Once I'm gonna come back, it's gonna be over. ये क्यों चिल्ला रहा है दादाजी? बाजू वाले दादाजी बहुत चिल्ला रहे हैं. It's like that समय joke, like, you know, हमारे दादाजी भी नींद में मर गए थे. वो आवाज़ लगा रहे थे पर हम सो रहे थे. बाहर I don't want to step outside because बहुत like, you know, serious वाली गली क्रिकेट चल रही है. तो I don't want to get involved in that you know, canon event in their childhood. So yeah, I'm staying indoor. No guys, I'm from Hyderabad. I'm not from indoor. तुम लोग डोसा बोल सकते हो और मैं इंडोर नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. वाओ, टॉक अबाउट डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स. And that's bringing to me accounting standard number 1 disclosure of accounting policy. Yay! ये उन लोगों की बैलेंस शीट संतुलन संतुलन कर करके मेरी मानसिक संतुलन बिगड़ रही है गाइस. And guys, every time I say guys, I just imagine a bunch of cows, like with the sunglasses and just staring at me with sass, because sass is very important, guys. Bro, how do you think, because software as a service is very important. You see what I did there? You see? Thank you. Oh my god, stop. You're making me blush. Stop. If you think ये लड़की थोड़ी येड़ी है क्या? नहीं, मैं थोड़ा योड़ा हूँ. You know योड़ा? योदा. Yeah. Rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Rock the body. I'm gonna teach you the steps to cure depression. Okay, the first step is very important. You don't want to mess this up. So the first step is you put your hands in your pockets and then you just check if you have any money, and that's how you end up doing. अभी सलमान खान का वो गाना क्या था? डिंक चिका 12 महीने में 12 तरीके से Okay, am I gonna post this? Hell yeah. I might get sound called as crazy, then called as crazy crazy ass bitch. This is why I don't listen to my own podcast again. मैं edit करते वक्त भी I don't even dare to listen that, because अबे यार मैं वो delete क्यों करी? वो clip अच्छा था शाहरुख खान का. All the Om Shanti Om. How did you learn what is the unit of electricity? अबे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है, पावर है, मालूम है मुझे. और ये ब्लीड करता है रहा. इसकी फ्लो इतनी हाई कैसे हो सकती है? हाँ. Okay, now this segment is what I would like to call as Bloody Mary. Okay, wait. Even when I'm searching for Om as a unit, it is suggesting me Om Shanti Om. अबे यार भाई ये पूरा स्पीच ही देने को रेडी है अपनी हॉन्क से. Nitin Gadkari really heard me. I'll tell you this is very interesting. तो I was just मैं एक account create करी थी randomly, and I used to post anything in that, and I posted like 6 posts. 6 posts, and that's it, because limited edition. Okay, so and in one of the posts I was like, god damn, I wish they would पहली बात ये रिकॉर्ड हो रही है ना, अगर ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रही तो this is like God is preventing me from getting called as crazy. But yeah, I'm God's favorite child. Electrical resistance. Oh shit, yeah, it is about resistance. I'm glad that मैं वो joke नहीं करी, वरना तो ये लड़की पागल है. Every great person were once called mad, so it's okay. 33 minutes of pure chaos. मैं बाहर जाऊँ क्या? Do you want to hear more to the bike noises? I take no for an answer. Okay. A media trained you for a reason. And what is the media? Multimedia. Multimedia approach. भाई बहुत बहुत उబ్బరిస్తుంది. So much ఉబ్బరిస్తుంది. Oh wait, I have to hydrate myself because I can't be a dehydrated diva. I have to be a hydrated Hulk. Is Hulk hydrated? I guess he's overhydrated. That's why he became an algae. Okay. You're gonna call me out for that? You're gonna call me out for that? Call my name good, okay? Because my dad calls like this. Like, you know, if he has to call anyone in home, he'll be downstairs and he'll be like, Nigga! He literally goes like that. Just imagine my name, man. They just butcher. They were the one who named me and they are butchering it. At least, bro, you can't do that. Man. I used to ask my mom, like, how did you guys end it with my name? Because people just think that I'm Nikita. अभी मेरी स्कूल में जो लाइक यू नो जो आंटी रहती थी ना, तो शी यूज्ड टू चेंज माय जेंडर ओनली. निखिल, लाइक निकिता इज फाइन, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. व्हाट इज निखिल? और कभी कभी अखिल. अरे लाइक यू नो, डोंट गिव मी आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस प्लीज. Like, you know, there was this short movie that I watched and it was like, you know, वो जो like, you know, who assumes him, she's a girl, so she assumes कि like, you know, she's a lesbian or something. And उसको जो like, you know, एक उसका जो भाई रहता है उसको पूछती है कि तू लड़का है क्या? And he was like, हाँ. तुझे कैसे पता चला? I feel like the reason why he went quiet is not because it was thought-provoking question. It was like, you know, just like ये घंटा जो बज रहा है ये वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं, घंटा वाला क्वेश्चन था. Oh, actually, घंटा is also an answer. Oh my God, Nikhila. Mother, do you think it? Father. All the things in my hair, running through my hair, all the things she said. Oh my God. What is wrong with my sir and sure? Sir. Yeah, it's back. Do you have the lisp? No, I have the lips. And the lips are saying, shut up! घंटी बज रही है. ओह, तूने वाली एंट्री यार, दिल में बजी घंटी यार. हाँ, वो भी करे थे हम लोग क्योंकि वो भी रणवीर सिंह का ही है. भाई क्या था, आई कैन जस्ट वेट फॉर नेक्स्ट वीकेंड. कल्फिट डोंट. यू आर इम्परफेक्ट एंड आई लाइक यू लाइक दैट. I'm gonna tag Alfred. Let's see how much. भाई यार मुझे भी like, you know, I applied as a dance trainer. तो because I liked it so much as a concept, like, you know, it's like I really like Cultfilt का जो भी business model पता नहीं है, पर वो लोग जो products offer करते हैं वो पता है मुझे, because I had the gym membership in Cult only. So they conduct this group classes, they conduct many classes like HRX workout, max strength, yoga, dance class, many things. So I only attended the recovery session. I attended like, you know, couple of recovery sessions. I think one HRX. Yeah, oh my God, that day I regretted my life decisions. It was horrible. I was like, you know, we were in pairs. Like, you know, I think there were 5 pairs. Man, like, you know, my pair was I think she was around like 35 to 40 bracket of age. And we were just exhausted at the same level. I was like, auntie, I was like, bhai, main 22 saal ki hu. Like, double 2. But, damn, bro. That day I was like, main kyun aayi? But just like, you know, I think उस दिन कुछ खान स्पेशल की कुछ था, मैं पूरा भूल गई. That all that pain was foo. And then but that session, like, you know, the dance class was foo, and that class was fa. Is the time 6 or 7? 6, 7. I gotta cater brain rot audience in between because they can't handle this deep talks.
they only deep seek because they can't deep talk. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Have you heard that question? Like, एक मछली और एक पंछी, if they fall in love, where they are gonna stay? Long distance karo, guys, oh my god, guys, GAIZ, guys, long distance it. What do you mean? तुम लोग ऐसे दो कप लगाओ और वो उड़ती जाती है, तुम स्विम करते रहो, दोनों के प्लेसेस में खुश रहो. लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस है. पहली बात, तुम लोग मिले कैसे मिले हो? तुम्हारी मम्मी उसको अप्रूव करी क्या? तुम्हारी मम्मी वो क्या करता पूछी नहीं क्या? और लाइक हु इज द गर्ल एंड हु इज द गाय? टेल मी. तुम लोग कुछ नहीं बताओगे एंड यू बी लाइक यू एक्सपेक्ट आंसर आउट ऑफ इट. पागल हो गया तुम लोग, थोड़ा येड़ा हो गया तुम लोग. Oh sorry, my bad. So it's plural, so येड़े हो गया तुम लोग. Yeah. Clock है. Yeah, it's very ironic that the guy who's rapped that song was a guy and every girl is like, Clacky, shut up. You look so gay than the gay people. I'm all in for the gays, okay? I don't have any problem with them. I'm very inclusive, okay? I have a gay best friend. हालांकि he won't admit that he's gay, but he's gay in my lens, okay? वो he's straight. I'm just वो उसको भी सरप्राइज होगा जब मैं बुलाती हूँ, जब मैं ये बात बताऊंगी कि लाइक तू गे है भाई. लाइक नहीं हूँ. all the things you share. अबे क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा? What is that? Okay. विश्वक्सेन पुत्र रत्नम तस्कस्कम बोटलो. This is the hardest sentence to pronounce. Like, whenever you want to do a क्या बोलते हैं तेलुगु में कुछ it's not in Telugu, it's kind of like Sanskrit or like no ancient Telugu, like pure अच्छे तेलुगु पदालू. Okay, तो I run through this. विश्वक्सेन पुत्र रत्नम तस्कस्कम बोटलो. Okay, so what was it again? All the things she said. All the things she said. Okay, she said. All the things she said. Running through my head, run it up. Hooli gang. Where's my gang? Gang. My cousin was singing this song non-stop, like, non-stop. She used to come and she used to be like, Harry, like a bag of tigers, I'm the shit. I'd be like, yes, you're the shit. You're the shit. It was very funny. She used to come and talk in front of us. My little cousin, literally, her brother, her own brother by blood, he used to just kick her and she used to fall on her face, and it used to be so fun. It is very funny when they both fight, because one call each other, they use very creative गालियाँ. They don't say like, बहन से बाहर चो. पहली बात तो वो लोग को इतनी हिंदी नहीं आती है. I mean आती है, like understandable level, but I mean obviously we talk in Telugu at home, right? तो but तेलुगु में गालियाँ बहुत चुभती है. ऐसे चुभ के वो पूरा कोलन साफ करके बाहर निकलती है. Okay, like literally they are so hurtful. I don't think you can say in your mother tongue. गालियाँ अपनी मदर टंग में बहुत ही इफेक्टिव होते हैं. हाँ. Bro, I can say banjo in Hindi just like that, but if I have to say, wait, Telugu में क्या है पहली बार? Bro, trust me, I used to not know what, like, क्योंकि मुझे exposure ही नहीं मिला. My mother don't talk, my dad don't talk, my chachas wouldn't used to talk, my grandparents wouldn't used to talk. So even my friends, like, I think I never heard them. Like, I heard the boys talking it, but I never heard. So पहली बार, I guess, like, I never used it, but I was like, ये बात का meaning क्या है? My chacha was like, no, you can't say that, it's a bad word. I was like, okay. Such a good girl I've been, man. Very, very good girl. अब हर एक बात में भैंचोद निकल जाती है. Very valuable information you're listening, huh? Did you even do half of the things that you planned to do today? You didn't do, you just scrolled Instagram, you just ignored all your responsibilities, and you yelled at your own parents because they were asking you what you're gonna do with your future, and you stress eat everything, and you were like, अभी और सारे जनों के पास इतने महंगे महंगे गाड़ी है अच्छी तरह की, and you just, like, scroll through Instagram again, open YouTube, watch some shitty ass videos, and then watch a series or a movie, and then continue to ignore the rest of your problems, you unemployed fuck, and here you are. At least you're doing one good thing. It's okay, beta, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. एक ही तो जिंदगी कौन बोला? People say that you took 7 janams to incarnate as a human, and what are you doing with your human form? Listening to the greatest podcast ever. Yeah. Did I give you a panic attack? Oh, by talking truth? Please, guys. Please. I can get a little bit B square minus 4AC kabhi kabhi. You didn't even know that, bro. 9th class में आया था. अगर even if you studied in SSC board, I'm from SSC board, okay? She'd got 2 real. Na real. $790 na. 28th April. Oh, 2 days to go. Okay. You know what? Right now, what you should to do? Go drink water, bastard. I'm talking to myself. Bye, yaar. But if I go in that room, I have to be quiet because I can't talk before my mom. Man. I'm sorry. I just hope no one below the age of... Bhai, bachche knows better gali than me. Like, the other day, like, I don't know what's wrong with this generation, but my cousin, my 13-year-old cousin, was watching shorts on YouTube, और उसमें से एक गाली आया, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला कि वो गाली था, और he was checking my expressions कि मैं देख रही हूँ ना. I was like, why are you acting sus, bro? Like, that's so sus. That's so sus. And he was like, कुछ नहीं. And he was like, after interrogating him too much, he was like, उसमें एक गाली थी. I was like, किधर गाली थी? उसने पूरा वीडियो फिर से रिप्ले किया. I had to go and ask my 20-year-old cousin कि ये क्या है, and she was like, oh, it's pubic hair. I was like, ये सबको मालूम है. और मुझे नहीं पता. And I'm glad that I don't know that, but I know what is pubic hair in Tamil, okay? I don't know if it is Tamil or Malayalam. I think it's Malayalam only. Edamone. In Balakrishna, they made a meme of Balakrishna saying Edamone in Telugu. I can't say that. It is in Telugu gali. I can't. So much pattettu behavior you must be thinking when I'm, like, talking about Telugu galis. I can't, like, how I can't say Telugu galis, but please. Leave me like that. Oh, मुझे अभी एक revelation आई कि what if my inter friends, what if my school friends are gonna listen to this? To all the inter friends, degree friends, all the friends that are listening to this podcast, are you jealous that I'm famous? No, guys, hi. Hi, what's up? What you guys doing? I'm doing fine. I'm doing great, to be honest. अबे यार, ये chair, like, you know, this will be the reason for my downfall. This chair will be the reason for my downfall. Hut. Stool. Run it. Okay, what am I supposed to say now? मुझे अभी तक याद नहीं कि मैं क्या बक रही थी. Wait, is it recording in the first place? You know what? एक दिन I was recording and my friend called and I was just talking to him and then after that I didn't realize and मैं वो call cut करके मैं सीधा सोने चले गई. And सुबह में, like, Samsung have this feature, if you have a Samsung phone, yeah. I did little, like, you know, this like where you wave your fingers to relate, you know, this, like, this, yeah, that only. When you panic also you do that only. So yeah, so it will show you a green dot on the that task bar. So I was like, ये ग्रीन डॉट किधर से आ रही है, मेरी फ़ोन हैक तो नहीं होगी. बहुत वैल्यूबल इन्फॉर्मेशन है. आई टेल यू, द कॉन्टैक्ट्स आई हैव आर 9 कॉन्टैक्ट्स. उसमें से 5 कॉन्टैक्ट्स सैमसंग हेल्पलाइन, एम्बुलेंस, सना स्टेशनरी, मेरी और एक सिम की फ़ोन नंबर एंड some random toll free number. तो इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन कौन हैक करना चाहेगा. वेरी लकी गाय, he'll be getting all the secrets. like, you know, nation wants to know, you know. अर्नब के साथ मैं ही बैठती फिर से. ओ, अर्नब रिटायर हो गया ना. Is Arnab retired? Nation wants to know. Who is your nation? I'm your nation, guys. I'm your world. You are my kappa. You know that? Bagla kappa. You don't know that? You should know that. You're my kappa and I'm your babi. Let's go. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Oh my god. Okay, what was I saying? So it was showing that green dot. I was like, you know, kya ho raha hai? Then I realized ki, oh shit, I was recording yesterday. I just recorded 7 hours. No, 8 hours. 8 hours continuously. You see that? मुझे 8 hours, मैं 8 hours correctly sleep करी. Yes, now I reached a point where I'm mixing Hindi, Telugu, English like that what is that company, mixed fruit juice, kuch bhi. So I exactly hit 8 hours of sleep, bro. Like, that is like, you talk about precision, you talk about accuracy. I put the curacy and accuracy. Oh, I thought it's curious. Chee. Oh shit. तो ये होता है. Like, you know, yesterday I recorded for 1 hour and I thought I made, like, you know, one good joke, and for one good joke I was like, you know what, we can upload this. I was like, you know, yesterday I was like, you know, hi guys, I took up this challenge where I post every day one podcast, and I hated it. I myself, like, you know, the critic inside me woke up and beat the shit out of my whatever that personality was, and it was like, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna put out that just because of one good joke. वो बीच में है और like पहले भी नहीं है. तो I just deleted that. So yeah, 52. I have like 8 minutes. Oh, 53. 7 minutes. So 7. You know, 7 of Monica from Friends. I'm gonna leave you at it. Let it sit. Sit with that. Sit with that, but don't sit with your ex. Like, what are you doing with your ex, bro? So, why go to gym, guys? Why go to gym? Just switch off the fan and sit. You're going to gym for sweat, no? You can switch off the fan and sit. I know, okay, I went to gym. If you don't understand sarcasm, then just shut the fuck up. Wait. It's like, 7 minutes is like, I can't even start a new topic, but at the same time, I don't even have a continuing topic so that I can continue. So I'm like, what's up, everybody? What's going on in your life? Like, what's new in your life? Like, what's up? What should I even talk about? Do you guys think I talk a lot? Then you're thinking right. I only talk a lot in podcast. I can go 3 to 4 days silent, and then fourth day I'll be realizing that, oh, it's been a long time since I last talked. How did I even started this podcast in the first place? Wow, I didn't realize my potential that I can talk for this long. And did you observe कि like मेरी accent बहुत change हुई है? I remember, like, I used to talk in American accent a lot because I used to watch or listen to the American accent वाली चीज़ें. तो my brother used to tease me all the time, like, you have this fake accent. Oh my god. He used to tease me so much about it, and I used to get so insecure about it. But at the same time, I also used to get the compliments, so I used to be like, oh, conclusion है कि ये गधा है. He's the asshole. Yeah, that's a proven fact. Yeah, they like, there was a research conducted on him. I only conducted the research. Okay, I only gave the conclusion also कि हाँ ये येड़ा है. तो इसकी जो ये मेरी लाइव यूट्यूब हेट कमेंटर है. ओके, सो it's like vaccine, guys. It's like vaccine for the world outside for me. you know you think you can hurt me? I live with my brother. I'm immune to all this shit. No. Oh, like, वो दिखेगा ही नहीं है. There is no fucking way that he's gonna listen to this. If he's listening, hey, hi, what you doing? No, bro. I am really joking. Okay, I don't mean no beef. Okay, because I'm a vegetarian, guys. I'm a vegetarian. Come on. That is the reason I don't hit my protein goal. Oh, if you're gonna say that paneer hai, soya hai, tum so jao. You soya. And I'm paya. Paya मैंने पाया तुम्हें, रब से मिलाया तुम्हें, होठों में समाया तुम्हें, सपना बनाया तुम्हें, पाया मैंने पाया तुम्हें. Yeah, I'm sorry for, like, all the sorry, because I got cold. I, like, there's the saying in Japanese ki only aho or baka will get cold in summer. I was just like, very funny, very anime movement types. My mom was doing random hachu hachu hachu, and she got cold, and I was just quoting and laughing ki, you know what, there is a saying in Japanese, and, like, after saying the entire quote, I just walked and came back to the room, and I was also hachu hachu. Yeah, that's called instant karma, because karma is such a bitch, and if I'm repeating this point again and again, people who do ganja will repeat points again and again. But if I'm repeating points again and again, does that mean that I don't need marijuana, but marijuana needs me? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me. Yes. Yeah, I really feel like, what if you're already acting like a drunkard, and once you actually drink, maybe you'll act like a more normal person, because minus into minus is equal to plus, no? That's what maths taught me. Math. And then you do meth. And then you blast methane. And then you do what? and then you hit the octave. Oh, it feels so good. I have to hit the octave. I think I got him mixed, but I forgot him. Bro, someone like brilliant question. Whenever I have to, whenever this awkward moment comes up when they ask me, like, so, okay, so tell me about your exes and all. I was like, oh my god, my exes are in so exes that, it is like zero factor. No, not even, abhi zero factor one hota hai, bhenchod. So it is like zero square. It's like zero, like so many, so many zeros. And then they were like, acha, ab bata, don't lie to me. You don't lie to me. I'm like, actually, thank you so much. Thank you so much for believing in me. Thank you so much that I underplayed. Thank you so much that you think that I I actually had boyfriends. Not even friends. Z. The only love bites that I received were from mosquitoes, okay? So calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Baby, calm down. Calm down. So, bro, my cousin bought a keyboard and it came with a mic. भाई क्या party करे हम लोग. He learned all the happy birthday to you song. हम क्या party करे happy birthday to you. And I think like my eldest cousin have that videos. So yeah, so every time they ask me that, I'll be like, no, I don't have. So one, I don't remember who, but they were like, oh wait, so whom do you miss? I'm like, that's a great question. I don't miss anyone. You got pinky finger, ring finger, index finger, thumb, and what is missing? Middle finger, because I'm showing it to you. and other thing अबे क्या है ये कौन सा बाइक like नितिन गडकरी yes you and me are on the same road अब ट्रैक्टर भी आ गया अब like अबे यार ट्रैक्टर भी आ गया अब मैं क्या ही करूँ anyways तो do you guys think I have different voices? I have different voice in Telugu and Hindi and English. अब स्पेनियोल में बात करूँ क्या? What I know in Espanol? Pan. Gracias. And loca. Namu and Napera. And Bumi IP. Bro, I discovered that. Like, I'm a late bloomer होता है या boomer होता है? Bloomer, yeah. Bad one, so fun. I heard Nuviol, DTMF, and my favorite is Titi Peronto. Yes, my favorite, Titi Peronto. Mucha novia, onnana etra manana otra. Ummi IP. La Patricia, la Nicole, la Sofia. Ah, damn. Bro, he got such a good fashion and he looks actually good, bro. Like, I used to be like, Spanish guys are so hard. I'm like, nahi hai yaar, utne bhi nahi hai, kya hai? And then I I don't, yaar. I'm not simping, but I'm genuinely saying he looks good. Like SNL, I saw his SNL skit and I भाई कितनी अच्छी बोलता है Spanish. I mean obviously he's Spanish, but मुझे तेलुगु में बात करो बोलो 2-3 words मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश में ही बोलती हूँ. Yeah, even like Marcelo Hernandez, he also speaks good. Like, oh my god, the way they speak Spanish, I don't think it's attractive and sexy. Please. French and Spanish, do you think like अगर वो ऐसे है तो अरबिक भी sexy है? Are you kidding me? Do you really think Malayalam? I was gonna say Malayalam sounds attractive. I don't know, Malayalam sounds attractive. I'm not saying hot. I'm saying attractive. Charming, better charming. Charming. I don't know why I'm talking in this Indian accent. कि water ऐसा तो Did I left any topic without a conclusion? Then I'll leave it to your interpretations. Yes, my art is open ended, you know, for your close ended minds. Yes, very wrong audience that I'm catering to, but at the same time, gas की problem चल रहा है तो I can't cater that much. Wow. Oh shit, man. I thought I'll exactly end at 1. चल अब मैं 2 hours नहीं guys, nine. Your gal got daily gals, yeah, daily goals. So I gotta study, okay? I can't entertain you more than 1 hour. I'm not paid enough for this shit. Actually, I'm not paid at all for this shit. Okay. So yeah, I know, right? Like, you know how sad you're gonna be after my podcast ends. I know, but all the good things have to end, right? Yeah, that's how my grandfather died. Oh, such a good life I led when my grandfather was alive. I mean, not that much also, but a little bit good only. Very, क्या बोलते हैं, ignorant. You know, when I was a kid, I used to think like people are really mad. Like, you know, when I first heard like ignorance is a bliss, I was like, are you mad? How is ignorance is bliss? Don't you die out of FOMO and don't you like, you know, like, you know, Dunning Kruger effect नहीं आता तुम लोगों को क्या? Like, you know, how is ignorance a bliss? Now that I grew up, I'll be like, ignorance is a bliss. Ignorance is really a bliss. I'm like, that is my chant. That is my chant. No, I wish I didn't grow up and I don't know what is happening around me. Yeah. Titupera un to. Daviti de que pue, Daviti de porteso, y abrazos, da pe que pue. Oh, okay, I'll shut up, okay. Bro, अफसोस is so good. मुझे वो recorded version पसंद नहीं आया, but there was this jam version of Anuj Jain and Karan Aujla. I might be very wrong, but at the same time, हाँ, वही. It was very good. Like, that was very good. जो गुरूर सी और फिजूल सी मैंने आज पता लगा कि कसूर थी तेरा मैं चला मैं दुनिया वेख न पाया ते गल्ला हुन क्यों अफसोस होया हुन की फैदा मैं चाह तेरा रहा. Let's go. तल्ला वारे तिरगुरे करा पे पच्ची गड्डी को अल्ली बिल्ली आदे वते उड़े पंपिन वच्चिंदम्मा. Oh yeah, they got married, right? Rashmika and Vijay. Bro, Vijay's costume, damn, costume नहीं, like उसके कपड़े, वही costume नहीं, but it was so good. You like, you know, that आभरणम, oh my god, भाई इतना अच्छा था. Damn bro, damn. आइसक्रीम चल रहा है guys. मुझे भी खाना है आइसक्रीम. I'm literally having cold right now, but I still want to eat ice cream because why not? Who is gonna stop me? My Mata Shri. Yes. Mata Share. Bro, like, you know, we should just start calling ourselves with our mom names like in Mahabharat. Like, you know, मैं क्या पुत्र? द्रोण पुत्र नहीं. द्रोण पुत्र is who? Ashwadama. Ashwatthama sounds so good. Like the name has that, like, so good. It sounds so good, bro. I watched Kurukshetra. I fell in love with all of the characters. Really, it's so good, bro. I wish, like, Kurukshetra, like, they do a animation of Mahabharat. I'll be so down for that, bro. Man, now I get it why Arjun is so famous. Arjun, oh my god. And like, I just like the name, how it sounds. Like, and I know Ashwa means horse. That is not the part that I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with how it sounds. Ashwadhama. Damn! You see, just give me chills whenever it is pronounced right. Hey, you know what? Comment down your names. Then I'm gonna read out your names. But leopard is called Biptia in Marathi. Literally Biptia. Why is it so Bihari? Oh, do you think that is so stereotypical of me? Then you're thinking right. Okay, to all the people who are just getting reintroduced to me through this episode, I think I should add precaution also. Yes, that's what I'm gonna record after this. पूरा रिकॉर्ड करने के बाद देन एड प्रिकॉशन, बिकॉज तुम्हें पता नहीं लगेगा ना कि लाइक तुम कैसे प्रिकॉशंस लोगे तुम जब तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चला कि डेंजर हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है. दैट इज कंटिजेंट. यस, लाइक तुम्हारी रिलेशनशिप पक्की हो सकती है या नहीं हो सकती, वो भी कंटिजेंट है. Yeah, it is contingent asset. You think it is a contingent asset, but it just turns out to be a contingent liability. Yes. Yeah. That is a C advice that I'm giving. Yeah. Okay, I think it's not you, it's me. I don't think I deserve you. I feel like you are not ready for it. Yes, I'm breaking up with you. I am breaking up with you. We need to even patch up to break up, bro. Delusional. Okay. To all the shorties out there. Give up. Yes. Give up on me because I can't be available to everyone. Oh my god, I can't make everyone's life brighter. I know I'm like, Bhaskara, but oh my god, but I'm just, I know I'm Nikhila. Nikhila means complete, but I can't complete everyone's life because this is Nikki and Nikki is incomplete. Yes. I thought I'll say such acha wala, like I'll say something feel good and I'll end it on a good note, but nahi. मैं थोड़ा narcissistic हूँ, okay? Bro, dandelions का like कुछ narcissistic का कुछ story रहता है, like dandelions always like उसको कोई की बोल, एक nymph रहती है, वो शाप देती है कि कुछ भी देती है कि like तू कभी तुझको खुद को देख नहीं सकता करके, एंड वो जाके लेकिन कभी कभी कुछ ना कुछ होता है एंड वो अपनी रिफ्लेक्शन नदी में देख लेती है एंड तब से वो ऑब्सेस हो जाती है कि वाओ आई लुक सो गुड. दैट इज़ द रीज़न मोस्ट ऑफ द डैंडलियंस आर फेस like they face down, not because they are like less confident bitches Gen Z's like you, okay, because they are just so obsessed with themselves. They are like damn, I look so good. That is so obsessed, narcissistic. Yes. भाई ये ब्लीड होती रहती है भाई. इतनी तो मैं भी लेकिन इतनी तो पूरी इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन ब्लीड नहीं होती है. Okay. I'm gonna ask you a question equivalent of like if you punch yourself, are you strong or are you weak wala, like girls, to all the girls, like क्योंकि boys, do you really think you can mansplain me? You can't even explain me in the first place because मैं तुम लोगों की सुनती नहीं okay, to all the girls, I want to ask from the experienced divas that if your periods don't pain, does that mean that you are strong or are your periods weak? Let me know. Let me know. अगर तुम इधर तक नहीं सुने हो तो यू आर गे, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट गे देन यू आर अ लेस्बियन. नहीं यार. Okay, I should really make a caution. Oh my god. Anyways, that was nice talking to you guys. And I hope you really have a good day. Or if you had a bad day, then I hope that this podcast made it a little bit good. Agar if you, like, one fucking incident happens and you think that your whole day is spoiled, and even a series of incidents happen in a day and you thought that, guys, life is, no, a day is like a color palette. अगर लेकिन तुम लोगों को कलरफुल बनानी है तो तुम लोग गे क्या रेनबो क्यों ला रहे हो? No, 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 no. I was gonna say like a little bit of blues, grays, and a little bit of red and a little bit of black is not gonna ruin the entire paint, right? There are still going to be yellows, pinks, or green, and thoda sa Nikki factor. So yeah, hope you have a nice day and hope you had a great time while listening to this. Obviously, while listening to this, I don't care what you did the whole day. So yeah, bye bye. Bye.